Hey everyone, this is Vanessa, and today we're changing the way you handle your finances. I'm going to show you how to pay your Pag-IBIG Multi-Purpose Loan using GCash. It's fast, stress-free, and you can do it anytime and anywhere. This isn't just another how-to video, it's a freedom at your own fingertips. Are you tired of long lines, traffic, and taking time off just to make a payment? Whether you're a busy parent or a hardworking OFW, or simply someone who wants more control over your time and money, this video is for you. First, you search for Pag-IBIG Virtual Online Login, and then click on this first one that comes in, Virtual Pag-IBIG. So once you're in this page, you click on Login, and then click on this data privacy that you have agreed, and then click proceed, continue, and then you enter your username and password and then click login. First, let's check how much we need to pay. So let's go and click to multi-purpose loan tab and then click on view, and there you can see how much you need to pay. Mine is 3,999.23, so I just pay 4,000. And then you click on 2025 to view the payments that you have. Next is let's do the payment. So click on, go over to payment online tab and then select multi-purpose loan. And then category, if you're here locally, select local, but if you're an OFW, you select overseas. And then payment method, you can use credit card, but this usually costs more, so for this video I opt to use GCash because it's cheaper. And then you enter your 12-digit Pag-IBIG number and then you click on verify. Once you click on verify, your details will automatically pop up. So verify, and there it goes. And then enter how much is your amortization fee. Mine is 4,000, just round it off, and then the service fee is 5 pesos, and then you click on next. And then once you're here on this page, you head over and input and fill up all the tabs information. Input the address, including the address line 2. You have to fill this up. And then your phone number prefix. Mine is 0917. And then next is the phone number, email address. And then you input this code. Enter the code here, QPKUU. PUU, and then click on agree. And then click on next. No. You have to double check and triple check if all information is correct, and then you click on proceed. And then once you're here, I'm going to opt to pay using GCash. So click on GCash. Now payment processing, and then you'll receive this QR code, so you move on to your phone using and open the GCash app. Okay, let's do that. So now that we're here on our GCash app, you just go over and click on view all. This is the view all. And then click on the QR code. And then scan the QR code. After opening the QR code on your phone, just point it toward the computer screen so you can scan the QR code from your screen correctly, like this. Okay. And then there you go. Click on pay. There you receive this payment confirmation from your email, and then from this GCash app it will also show you the confirmation, payment confirmation. Okay, and here is the email payment confirmation. Pro tips: always pay before the due date to avoid penalties. Second, take a screenshot of your receipt from GCash. Better safe than sorry. You can also track your payments through Pag-IBIG virtual account online. And that's it. It's super quick and easy, right? I hope this helped make your payments convenient. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!